Introducing the Smeg Personal Blender. Compact, portable and versatile. Meet the ultimate fitness accessory, a fast and simple way to blend ingredients. The PBF01 compact multifunctional blender is perfectly designed to meet the demands of a healthy and active lifestyle by effortlessly whipping up delicious and healthy single servings of smoothies and protein shakes that you can easily take with you on the go. The compact and stylish design features a control knob that lets you choose between two speeds for efficient preparation. When combined, the ingredients texture helps you create smoothies, milkshakes and green smoothies that are packed with essential nutrients, making them easy to consume and enjoy. The multifunctional blender comes with 2 bottles, ensuring maximum versatility of use and allowing you to blend fresh ingredients to be consumed immediately or stored. The 2 600ml bottles are made from BPA-free Try to Renew, manufactured from 50% recyclable materials, reducing their impact on the environment. The spout cap allows you to carry the bottle with you at all times so you can enjoy drinks made with fresh and healthy ingredients even when you're not at home. The blender's unique retro design is available in a selection of colours, including pastel shades, as well as bolder options such as red, black and white. For more information about the Smeg Personal Blender, click on the link in the description or check out our other videos on YouTube.